We'll guide you through how to make glowing text in Photopea. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want an easy way to create eye-catching glowing text without using complex or paid software. First, navigate to the Windows menu on the taskbar and click on it to open the system search. Type Google Chrome in the search bar, then click the application from the results to launch it. Once Google Chrome is open, locate the search box at the top of the browser window. In the search box, type Photopea and press the Enter key on your keyboard to start the search. From the results page, select the top option and click it to open the official website. When the website loads, click on New Project to begin. Choose any available canvas template that fits your needs. If necessary, adjust the canvas size by changing the width and height values provided. Next, change the background color to black so the glow effect will be more visible. After that, click the Create button to open the editing workspace. On the editing page, find the text tool in the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Move your mouse cursor to the canvas and click once to activate typing mode. Type the words that you want to turn into glowing text. Then change the template font to Candela using the top menu options. Resize and reposition your text until it looks balanced on the canvas. Go to the Layers section, right-click on the text layer, and select Blending Options. In the Layer Styles panel, activate Inner Glow and change its color to any shade you prefer. Set the opacity to 100% and the size to 2 pixels, then set the blend mode to normal. Next, enable Outer Glow and use the same color as before. Adjust its opacity to 100% and increase the size to 20 pixels, then set the blend mode to screen. Finally, activate Drop Shadow. Use the same color, set opacity to 100%, distance to 0, spread to 8, size to 200 pixels, and change the blend mode to screen to complete the glowing text effect for a clean, bright, and visually appealing final design result overall.